the loop structure. Okay, let's begin by the first. The first activity is to calculate the user speed in a 400-meter race. Okay, so here you are asked to calculate the user's speed. So imagine to ensure that the user's input is positive. So as follows. So ask the user enter their time in seconds repeatedly until their entry is positive. Okay, so you have here the condition. Okay, on the entry, on the input, the time in seconds should be positive. Okay, tell the user time must be positive. Enter your time in seconds. Okay, and after that tell the user their speed in meter per second rounded to 1 decimal place. Okay, so here we have the distance. This is the distance. So we need how to calculate the speed. The speed is equal to the what? To the distance divided by the time. Okay, so I know the distance and I will ask for the time, okay, in seconds, to compute or to calculate the speed. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? But I don't receive or I don't receive any value. I will repeat until the entry is positive. Okay, so how can do that? So this is one way to calculate or to for this program. This is the event. I will begin by when space key is pressed. So I will ask the user enter your time in seconds and I will wait. I will define a variable called time. Okay, and I will set time to the answer of the user. Okay, repeat until the time is strictly greater than 0. Okay, it is a positive number. Okay, if the time is greater than 0, okay, this loop will be skipped. If the time is not equal to 0, okay, the program will ask the user again, time must be positive, enter your time in seconds. Okay, after that, once the time, the variable time, okay, the user enter a positive variable time. So the speed, another variable called speed, is equal to the distance divided by time. Okay, and after that we need to round the speed to the first decimal number. Okay, so it will be round speed multiplied by 10 divided by 10. Okay, so this is your speed. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Okay, so let's move now to okay, we will open the audio build. The voice is not clear. You don't understand, hear me clearly? Now, the voice, my voice, is it clear or not? Okay. Let's. Okay, so I will begin by an event. It can be when space key pressed. I will ask the user to enter the time. Okay, enter your time. Enter your time in seconds. Okay, and after that I will define a variable called time. Okay, and I will set time Sorry, I will set time to you to answer. Okay. And these two instructions will be repeated until I get a positive time. Okay. So repeat until time is greater than 0. Okay. Here time greater than 0. Okay. I will ask again. Time must be positive. Okay. Your time in seconds. Okay. And I will set another time. This the set time to answer. Okay. Once the user enter a negative number. Okay. After that, I will set a data. I will set a variable called speed. Okay. And this speed. Okay. So I will set speed to what? To the division. What is the rule of the speed? It is the distance, 400, for example, here, divided by time. Okay. And after that, I will round. Okay. So I will say now here, say the your speed is. Okay. So I will join. For that, I need the join to join my Control X here with here the speed rounded. Okay. So this is the round. So I need the division. I need the round of the speed multiply by 10. Okay. This is the speed. This is multiplied by 10 divided by 10. Okay, so this is a space. Enter your time in seconds. For example, minus 100. Okay, the time must be positive. So enter your, okay, it is 100, for example. Okay, so your speed is 4. Okay, 4 meters per second. Okay, I can join another join. So this join will be here, and here will be meter per second. Okay, so this is my answer. So look now, this is space. Minus 20, it is not acceptable. Minus 30, it is not acceptable. 30 is acceptable. So your speed is 13.3 meter per second. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Okay, let's move now to the Okay, now the activity number 2 will deal with entering a new password. So you will ask the user to enter a new password, okay? And if any of the characters of the proposed new password is an @ character, then tell the user invalid, looks like an email address, okay? Otherwise, you will set the variable password to the new password, okay? And you will communicate the user with password set, okay? So here, you will keep asking the user to enter a new password while it contains an @ character, okay? So you need a password that doesn't contain a character @ okay? Okay, so look at these the script steps. So you will use an index variable. Why the index variable? When we can use the index variable to the last meeting, Yesterday, we saw two things, important things, the index variable and the sentinel value, okay? The index variable is the variable that you can go through the string or the list, okay, to go through this list or this string. You can use the index variable. So to iterate over the new password until art is found or the index variable value exceeds the final position of the new password, okay, in which all the characters in the password must be processed without finding an @, okay? So you will ask the user to enter a password. You will check if this password contains the character, okay? After that, once you see that it contains the character, you will tell the user that it is invalid, and otherwise you will set the variable password to the new password and tell the user that password is set, okay? So this is one way to do that, okay? We will ask the user to enter a new password. We will set a new password to the answer. We will set the index variable, and I will repeat until the letter position, okay, of the new password is equal to @ or the position is greater than the length, okay? So I will change the position by 1, okay? And if the position is greater than length, what does it mean, this instruction? It means that I go, okay, I obtain the last item or the last character of the new password without finding any @, okay? So I will set the password to the new password, else I will say the invalid, like looks like an email address, okay? So this is one way of solving this program. You can have other ways, okay, to do that, okay? Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? So we will do that. Is it clear? Okay, let's try this way, okay? So when here we will use another event, okay, like for example, okay, I can sorry. So here when this not space, another character A, for example. So I will ask the user, okay, to enter a new password. Enter a new password, okay? I will create a new password, okay, called new password. Okay, this new password, it will be set to the answer, okay? This is the answer. After that, I will go through this new password, okay? And I will check if this new password, okay, contain the @ or not, okay? So I need the index variable, it is position. I will set the position to 1, the first character, okay? And I will repeat this character. I will repeat until. Repeat it until what? Until the letter. I have two two options, okay? I have two criteria, okay? Even if I find the @ or I reach the end of the word, okay? Repeat until or, okay? Either the letter contain, we have here the operator okay, so I have letter, I have the equal, so I need letter position here, okay, I need to compare the character of the position of the new password with @ okay, or I reach position is greater or position is greater than the length, okay. This is position, okay, and this is greater than the length of the new password, okay. This is the length of the new password, okay. Okay. So I will increment, change position by 1, okay. After that, I will compare the position. If the position is greater, this position is greater than the length of the new password, okay, it means that I go through all the characters and I don't find the @ okay. Okay, so what does it mean here? I will set password, this is password, variable password. We'll set the password, set the password to new password, okay, and I will say password set here, password set, okay, successfully. Example, okay, else I will say, okay, it looks invalid, okay, invalid, it looks like an email. Is it clear? Okay, so this is so I will press A once enter new password. So it will be, for example, AW12 and @ okay. Invalid, it looks like an email, okay. I will try again. Enter new password. I will write AWS125, okay. So successfully password set successfully, okay. So do you see that? Do you get it? Okay. Is it clear? Are you with me? Clear or not? You don't understand why we use the position? Okay. We will go through the password, okay? So we can achieve the end of this password without finding any art, okay? So I need to control that because I have here in the change position by 1, okay? So I need one limit. I have one limit for this position. The position does not exceed the length of the new password, okay? It does not have any sense, okay? So my concern is about to check if the password contains @ or not, okay? So I will go through this string password, okay? Letter by letter, character by character. I will check the first character. If it is not @ I will increment the position. I will check again. If it is not, okay? And I need one other conditions that control the position. Okay, once I reach the end of the word, I don't need to compare. Okay, so this is the reason or the purpose for the position greater than length. Once I get or I come to the end of this word, of this new password, I don't need to compare. Okay, so I will stop. Okay, do you have any question? Is it clear? Okay, let's have now a problem solving worked example. Okay, so look here, in order to help you assimilate the techniques covered in this section, here is a worked example which records the thought processes and written notes of an experienced programmer as they take a different type of problem involving selection from specification to solution. Okay, so look at this program specification. So this is the first step. You have the program specification. So the owner of a bookstall, okay, has decided to have a promotion in which if a customer buys books costing a total of more than £30, they will get 20% discount, okay, rounded to the nearest penny, okay. So he asks for a program, the owner of this bookstall asks for a program that will tell him, okay, that will tell him, given the price of each book a customer buys, okay, whether or not the customer is entitled to a discount, okay, and the discount amount and the total price to be paid, okay, if there are any discount, okay. So to understand the problem now, we have the owner of a book, okay. He decide to do some promotion, okay, but he has some condition, okay. So once one buys more than £30, he will get 20%, okay. Once it will the cost or the total cost doesn't exceed the £30, okay, it will not have it is not, okay, it will not be rewarded by the promotion, okay. Okay, let's the algorithm. So first you need to know what is the supplied data, what is the fixed data, okay, what is your data, your variable, of course, okay. So the supplied data is the prices for all books, okay, as an input, okay. So you need to enter the price of the books, okay, and you have the fixed data as the percentage of discount and discount threshold, okay. So you need to attain £30, okay. Once the total exceeds £30, you will have a discount percentage of 20%, okay. So what precisely is required of the program? So that is what in outline is a process that will achieve the results, okay. So you will input the prices of all books for a customer, okay. You will calculate the total price. You will decide whether discount applies. So you will do here some selection, okay. You will compare this selection with, you will compare the selection. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Okay. Okay, so we will compare the total price to 30% to the discount threshold, okay? And once it exceeds £30, you will have a discount. So you will deduct the rounded discount from the total price, and you will tell the user the rounded discount or the discount does not apply, and you will output the total price, okay? So this is your algorithm, okay? This is your algorithm, your first graph, okay? Okay, break down now the process. Thinking about the overall process now. So you will input the prices of all the book for a customer. you will calculate the sub process. Number 1, you will calculate the total price, okay? And you will, after that, you will decide whether discount applies or not, deduct the rounded discount from the total price if appropriate, and tell the user the rounded discount or the discount does not apply, and at the end output the total price, okay? So this is the for the sub process number 1, you will enable the user to stop inputting prices. I will use a sentinel character, okay? So you will keep asking the customer to enter the price of his books, okay, until he writes a Q, for example, or A, or whatever the sentinel character. So you will stop, okay? So repeat until the user enters Q, for example, add book price to the total price, and ask the user to give you the book price or Q to quit, okay? Okay, once we entered, or the user entered, or the prices of his books, okay, I will have the total price here. This is the book price. At the end, I will have the total price. If this total price is greater than 30%, I will deduct rounded discount amount from the total price. It will be here the total price multiplied by 80%, okay? Or the total price minus the total price multiplied by 20%, and tell the user the discount. Your discount is 20%, okay? Else, tell the user that no discount applies, okay? Okay, now we can use another, then I will detail, okay, this is the discount here. So calculate the discount as 20% of the total price, round the discount, reduce the total price by discount, and tell the user the discount. Else, tell the user there is no discount will be applied, okay? So look now at the implementation. For example, we will use the laptop spirit, okay? And as usual, I will use, for example, a when green flag clicked script for initial instruction to the user, and I will use a when space key pressed for performing the main task of calculating the price and discount. Okay, so we can divide your program into sub processes. We can do it in a whole process. Okay, we will, after that, we will define your variables, your constants, your lists, your initialization. So constant variable discount percent, okay, it will set to 0.2, the percent 20%. Book price to store each price as it is input. Total price to store the total price. Discount to store the discount amount, and rounded discount to store the rounded value of the discount amount. Okay, so this is your data. Okay. And for the implementation, check the condition isn't hard, as I can use, for example, contains block. Okay, so I can implement this part of the algorithm using an if then else block in a fairly straightforward manner, and this leads to my final program. So look at this program. This is the sub process number 1, how to ask the user to input the price of his books and calculate in the same time the total price. Okay, and this is the sub process 2. I will decide if he grant or he has the loyalty to get a discount, okay, or not. Okay, so this is the whole program. Okay. After the whole, you write your program, you need to test and debug. You need to see if there is an error. Okay, you will enter, for example, no price, one price, then one more price. Okay, you need to see if the total is exceed 30 pounds or not. You will have right discount or not. Okay, etc. Okay, so this is one table to check your results. Okay. Your program results. Okay, more than book, this is 2 books. Okay, so 29.99. okay, so it is lower than 30 pounds, so no discount will be applied. Okay, here no discount will be applied. Here you will have discount because here the total exceeds 30. Okay. So move now to this program, to implement this program. Okay. So I need now to new spirit. It is a laptop, for example. It is a laptop. This is the laptop. Okay, so this is my spirit. Okay, in this spirit we will write your program. So we will have several variables. So you need the discount percent. Variable will be set to 0.2. Okay. You need the total price. Total price. Okay. You know, you need to define the book price. Book price. Okay. You need to define the discount, the amount of the discount. Okay, so we will see after that. So I will use an event. It can be when not space, it can be another thing that is different, D for example. Okay, I will set the, not the discount, the discount percent to 0.2. Okay, after that I will ask the user. Now I will set the total. Say the total price, or I will ask the user. The first, ask the user to enter. Please enter the price of the first book, or Q exit. Okay. Okay. I will set the total, the book price now to the answer. Okay. Okay. And I will set the total to 0. Okay. The book, not book price, the total price to 0. Okay. So you need to declare and initialize correctly your variable. Okay. Your variable. Okay. After that, I will check. Repeat until, because we have a sentinel value. Okay. So repeat until what? Until the book price different. Okay. Different from Q. So if it is equal to Q here, book price if book price is equal to Q, exit. Okay, it means that you need to exit, else you need to change the total price by the book price. Okay, it means that you will add the book price to the total price and you will ask again. Okay, duplicate, you will ask, the user the next book or queue to and you will set the book price to answer. Okay, okay, is it clear? Okay, so this is the process of entering the total. Okay, the total price of books. Okay, of a customer. Now I need to check if what? If the total price is greater, so I need the greater. Is the total price? Is the total price? What is the total price? Is greater than 30%, than 30 pounds, okay, then I will set the discount. I will set the discount to what? I will calculate the discount. The discount is equal to the total price multiplied by the discount percent, okay? It will be equal to the total price multiplied by the discount percent, okay? Or 0.2, I mean, okay? So this is the discount. And I will set the total price. The total price will be reduced, yes or no? Set the total price here, total price, to what? To the total price minus the discount, okay? Or the rounded discount, we can, so here, to, here we need the minus, the total price minus the rounded discount. What is the rounded discount? We can round the discount. How can we round the discount? We can multiply the discount by 10 or by 100 and divide by 100, okay? Okay, so we need, so here we have 100 and here we will round the discount, multiply by 100, okay? So this is my total price, okay? And I will say that discount is, I will say, sorry, yes. I will say that discount is, so I need to join now because I need to write some phrase formative. The discount is, okay, and I will duplicate this one. This is the discount, okay? Okay, else I will say no discount applied, okay? Else I will say no discount applied. Discount applied, okay? And I need to say also the total price here. I need to say the total price because you are asked total price. So join the total price is, okay, and the total price here, okay? Okay, so let's try now. So, okay, do you have any question? Is it clear? Do you have any question? This is the most difficult example, okay? So if you have some difficult example, it is like that. No more than that, okay? So look now, I need to press D, so enter the price of the first book, okay? It will be 10, okay? Sorry. So this is D, 10, enter, 20, enter, 5, enter, and Q, okay? Q, so the discount will be 7 and the total price will be 28, okay? So we will enter 10 and 20 and 5, so it will be 35. The 20% of 35 will be 7, okay? And the total price that the customer will pay is 28, okay? Okay, look, when we need to test also when the number does not exceed 30, the total, okay? 10, 12, okay, 4, okay, and the Q, okay? So here the total price is 26, okay? Q, so no discount applied, okay? And the total price is, so we can add this one, duplicate here, okay, no discount, and the total, okay? So let's start D, so 10, 12, 4, Q, no discount applied, and the total price is 26, okay? So there is no deduction, okay, discount, okay? Is it clear? Are you with me? Do you have any question now? Any question? Clear? So this is the most difficult example that you can be faced of, okay? But you need to respect, okay? If you are asked to output the price, you need to output the price, okay? Once you don't output the price here, you will be, your grade will be deducted, okay? Once you need to here, for example, the initialization and the declaration, the right declaration and the initialization, you need to do that. Once you don't input your you don't enter your input correctly, you will be penalized, okay? So this is that you should be keep in mind these remarks, okay? Because when you are asked to do something, okay, to do some task, you need to okay, you need to do all, okay? Okay, thank you very much for your attendance, for your participation, and see you inshallah next week.